Alright, so we just got a new pool and the water was just put in yesterday. And now they just told me that I need to brush the pool every day for 30 days. So let's learn how to do that. Alright, so we decided to invest in a pool because we like to travel a lot, but we have two little ones now, even a littler one. So we have an 8-year-old, sure. So we have an 8-year-old. Then we also have a 6-month-old. 6-month-year-old? I don't know. But then we decided, let's invest some more money in here to the house to where that we won't feel the need to go, vacation or go sit by pools or whatever. But more importantly, we want to be able to have that fun, safe place for our kids to hang whenever they get older. Does it look like I know what I'm doing, by the way? This is very new. I don't even know exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. But I'm just pushing dirt down. It's all just like moving around. Anyway, we want to create that safe space and fun space for our kids to where they're going to want to hang around a little longer. They're going to want to invite their friends, stuff like that. So I've always wanted that cool area, that cool spot for my kids and my family to kind of hang, and their friends to come hang. I'm very much a more the merrier. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. But I'm very much more the merrier. And we thought, what better way than to get a hole with water in the backyard. But we think it's going to be an investment that's going to pay off pretty significantly. But it's our decision. Not everybody would agree with that. Oh, just find someone with a pool, blah, blah, blah. But I think it's different. But never in a million years would I think that I'm brushing my own pool that we built. So super blessed, super lucky, all the things to be given the opportunity to create this type of opportunity. Be able to do the things for our family, our kids. And I think that's going to be huge in the long run. But yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Like, the dirt's just moving to the middle. Super weird. Anyway, yeah, this is kind of torture because they told us we need to scrub this every day for 30 days. Oh, and you can't swim in it for 10 days. You have to let it cure. Things have to set. Yada yada. Whatever. But whatever that means. Yeah, we literally have to stare at it through a window every day for 10 days. And it's actually like the last 2 weeks of summer. But we've been traveling a lot. We've been doing a bunch of things. There used to be times where my wife and I used to dread summer because we felt so bad because of our daughter being home in the summer and us both having to work. We definitely didn't want her to be some iPad baby or be on a screen or whatever. So we decided after our second, we were going to have Nora stay at home, have my wife stay at home, and that is a great decision so far, because even this summer she was able to do a lot of things with the kids. And I don't want to say I make my own schedule, but I can very much plan around things. But I do 100% make my own schedule, I guess. But again, I'm blessed and fortunate to be in that position to be able to do so. And I was always a couple things as I'm scrubbing my pool. Never thought in a million years, especially growing up, that I would have my own pool, and especially didn't think that I would have a stay-at-home mother, mother, stay-at-home. I would be able to afford to have my wife stay at home. There you go. And take care of the kids. So, some more gratitude there. I had some friends that their mom stayed at home, but in this area that doesn't really happen, or didn't used to. Definitely a lot more now. But my mom, single mom, she worked she worked very hard she had 3 jobs for a lot of our time growing up, but very hard worker. Never in a million years would I think that would be possible for us. But here we are, and we're doing it.